Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton is not behind the camera. So, as y'all know, I'm trying to do all the camera work myself. Sorry, just the way it is. So, we're down here in the melon patch today, and as you saw, we tilled up the area, got rid of all the grasses and stuff, and he went through and picked the grass and the weeds out from around the plants themselves. But now, we got 20 starters that we got to plant. We got 10 honey rock melon cantaloupes and 10 halo canary melons that have to be planted. And well, we're gonna get to it, y'all. All right, guys. So we have my honey rock melon here. And as you can see, these roots are ready to come out. They're starting to try to get root bound here. So we're going to go ahead and get these things planted today. Now I got them set out just about where I want them. And I'm gonna dig the hole just deep enough to make sure that the dirt line right here is covered, but not by much. Now see, that's what you call too deep right there. So we're gonna add a little bit of dirt in there. There we go, that'll work. So we're gonna take it out. And I'm gonna tease these roots a little bit, just like that. And we're gonna place him in. Now we're gonna take all this loose dirt and kind of gently fill in around the plant. And like I said, we're just barely gonna cover up the dirt line. We're gonna pack him down, get rid of any extra air pockets that might be there that might hold water. And we are going to make our water ring. Gotta make that water ring, y'all. Just pretty that way. There we go. All right, we got one planted, 19 to go. And we are back from super frog mode, y'all. So, as you can see, we got everything planted. It goes pretty quick when you have some help, and I tell you what, I am sure grateful for the help that my nephew gives me. And I'm going to be missing him. Well, sometimes, maybe not. I don't know. Either which way, guys, I appreciate y'all joining me today. And remember, hit that like button if you liked what you saw. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. And guys, hit that notification bell, because here soon, I ain't gonna be putting them out every day. All right, guys, this has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.